Go Campaign was created in 2006 to assist 30 children living at an orphanage in Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Since that time, Go Campaign expanded its mission of improving the lives of orphans and vulnerable children to benefit children around the world. Go Campaign provides local grassroots partners with the support necessary to help them address vital problems affecting youth in their communities. While these small organizations are doing great work, they often fall under the radar of larger grant-making organizations. We're having significant impact on thousands of young lives by providing small grants to help these partners achieve, sustain, or expand their amazing work, providing these children the care required to thrive. Our current objective is to raise our visibility and garner support on a wider national scale so that more children are given the opportunity to break the cycle of poverty for themselves and their communities. Our approach of empowering local communities with local solutions resonates with our donors, and increasingly more people are seeking this approach in grant making because it's sustainable and effective. Expanding Go Campaign's reach through increased visibility to new prospective donors is the best opportunity we have to impact the lives of more children in need. Go Campaign is unique from other grant-making organizations in 3 ways. First, we empower donors by allowing them to direct their funds to a specific project or need that is important to them. Second, 100% of those funds go directly to supporting the project of their choice. We can do this because Go Campaign's administrative and fundraising costs are entirely covered by a private donation. And third, we listen and work closely with our partners to responsibly fund the programs they've designed, rather than coming in with our own solutions, because they know what's best for their communities. It's an approach that builds sustainability, fosters locally led community development, and increases the success and effectiveness of program goals. As stewards of our donors' investments and intentions, our guiding principles are rooted in 3 tenets. First, transparency. We believe our donors have a right to know how their money is spent, and we work closely with our partner organizations and local heroes to follow each dollar so we can report back to you. Second, efficiency. With a small, efficient staff, we're able to cut through the red tape typical of larger organizations. We're nimble and in constant communication with our local partners, so we can act quickly to time-sensitive resource needs. And third, our trusted partners. We closely vet each of our partners to ensure our criteria are met, and we continue working closely together throughout our granting cycle with continual monitoring, reporting, and site visits. We know their capacity, we know the children being served, and we know exactly how your money is being spent. Go Campaign's guiding principle is that we listen to the needs of our partners and work together to help them achieve their goals. We invest strategically in solution-oriented, community-based, and underfunded organizations that address the root causes of problems affecting vulnerable youth throughout the world. We prioritize making an impact in the lives of the most marginalized youth by addressing 4 main issues: education and vocational training, health and safety, care for orphans, and enrichment. Each project we fund has a clear objective and an expected level of impact to be achieved by the end of the grant. We monitor and evaluate our partners' project management capacity before, during, and after the granting cycle. We do this through site visits, a regular reporting schedule, and close communication with grantees on the progress of their project, the status of their grant funds, and the impact on the children. Our close working relationships with our partners ensure that project objectives are met and every donor dollar is accounted for. Because we work in many countries where the priorities and needs of the children vary greatly, the range of projects we support is diverse. For example, we don't just fund school construction or ensure access to TB and HIV/AIDS treatments, or fund vocational training programs. We do all of these, plus much more. Our impact isn't measured by just one activity, but rather encompasses 4 targeted areas: education and vocational training, health and safety, care for orphans, and enrichment. Because we listen to people on the ground, the work we do is different in every community. Since 2006, GoCampaign has funded 96 projects in 24 countries, directly impacting over 37,000 children, and that number is growing daily. We have built schools, supported vocational training programs and income-generating activities, ensured orphans and other vulnerable children receive the care and support they need, and provided medical care and support to children so they can lead healthy and happy lives. Each GoCampaign grant addresses a vital need, and with our support, projects are able to move forward, and our partners are able to reach many more children. We strive to build the capacity of our grantees so they don't become dependent on our funding. Often, we work with partners to develop their own income-generating projects, or form partnerships with local nonprofits and government agencies in order to help sustain their work beyond funding from GoCampaign. We receive new grant requests from both our existing partners and new potential partners seeking to make a difference. Additional resources would enable us to continue working with our partners to improve their capacity and enhance their efforts to educate and engage children, and to support new, equally deserving endeavors. GoCampaign would like to expand our work in the Americas. We've worked in Peru, Haiti, Mexico, Paraguay, and a Native American reservation in New Mexico. However, we would like to identify and partner with more local heroes in this region and support their efforts to improve the lives of vulnerable children.